Looking for top-notch tech services with a personal touch? DythonAI is here for you. At DythonAI, we're all about providing exceptional service and support. Our team of skilled professionals is available around the clock to ensure your needs are met. Whether you need technical, technological, or HR services, we've got the expertise to help your startup thrive. But it's not just about tech for us. We care about sustainability too. From reducing waste to conserving energy, we're committed to making a positive impact on our environment. Plus, we love giving back to our community through various charitable initiatives. So, why choose DythonAI? Because we combine top-quality technology services with a commitment to customer satisfaction and a sustainable future. Partner with us and let's innovate together. Ready to take your startup to the next level? Visit DythonAI.com and let's get started.